That was the cafeteria stuff. Throw your food out so you buy it.
On the awful
Is it an actual tower?
No, it's not an actual tower. It's like, it has like displays in there.
Wow, that's so cool.
Then
I can't believe you didn't go up there last time.
Last time there was a really special thing going on.
Oh, you
the
got caught
Royal
up in
Air
that.
Force was.
What's up, guys? So we just got back from the Air and Space Museum. We got home a little late, so we're just cooking up some food. We're not cooking. I'm not cooking food. She's not cooking food. We're making some Spam. Look at this stuff. Doesn't that look appetizing and scrumptious? Flame grilled. These are some coals we're lighting for some food later.
I got it. I can do it.
And yeah, we got a nice fire going. It's gonna be a fun night. Tomorrow we're leaving, so we're gonna have a nice party. And people are mad at me because I use the term Sigma too much right now. So.
And skibbity.
Yeah, and skibbity. I don't even know what skibbity is.
I really put this skibbity. Disgusting.
All right, so I think that's good for now.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
What the Sigma is he doing?
Get it out.
So making mashed potatoes. They're gonna be pretty fire. Guys, what are you doing? I need to cook.
The meatiest shit imaginable.
Jeremy, we're on camera. No swearing.
Oh,
Jeremy's
the
an
meatiest
explicit little
poo-poo
boy.
imaginable.
Thank you, Jeremy. Thank you, brother.
That's so bad. That's so bad.
I
Oh,
want to cut this one in half. What's so sick? Oh, Lynn, stop blowing smoke in my head. Bro, Colin, it's so.
Okay, let's not spill any Sprite, guys. No spilling. Mr. Spiller, I would back up.
You saw me last year at summer camp. Got good food ratings. So let's try this. I'm not sure what to call it, but let's just try it. It's mashed potatoes with like meat and let's see. This is an onion. I don't know what else is in it. First, let's try some potatoes. Those were kind of good. Those were kind of good. I'm gonna give them a 7. We're gonna try some meat. Oh gosh, this meat is okay. I mean, it is vegetable patties, so a little bad. A little bit too much spice, but then again, I have baby taste buds.
Yeah. So you can't handle anything.
I think I'll give that one like a 6, and let me try it together now. I'll give that one an 8. Pretty good. This is a pretty good meal. It's an average of 7 meals.
Hi. Hi. Pretty good meal you got there.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Alright, this stuff's coming off.
Bye-bye.
It's food. It works. You know, I woke up this morning. I didn't know. I hate you, Colin. I didn't know what I was gonna eat for dinner. You know what happened? Through hard work, just like the founding fathers, through hard work against impossible odds.
This guy's a nerd.
I made that looks like a snail. Yeah, I could.
You know?
Hey guys, it's not much of people's food.
I bet he knows a lot about music theory because he's a nerd.
Honestly, I don't.
Yeah.
I know what an arpeggio is. Look, what I'm trying to say is I'm the best, and I'm really proud of this.
Well, I get access to deep WD.
Ow, that's so carbonated.
Really easy tool.
Oh, okay. Yeah, put that in the video.
Tortilla, it's a bread I never think in my head. It stands for the little cake a turn the Spaniards make to describe the sweet treat from the 16th century. How could it be the Spaniards came to meet the people who made the bread of flour and maize? It stands for corn in Spain. Isn't that insane?
On his hand as he.
No! Go pick up your phone.
My shoulders are messed up. Oh. Why does it hurt so bad?
What did I do to my shoulder?
Oh, we're doing mountain climbers? Can't do them that fast, I'm broken. When I push up. Yeah, that counts. Oh, we got an interview going?
Sure.
What's up? So I'm doing a plank right now. I'm not gonna hold it that long because I'm bulking pretty heavy right now. Got up to 130 from 125, up 5 pounds.
Which is really cool. Honestly, do you know combat doesn't even
You know, man.
so much.
Used to eating large things.
You hear this, kid? The audacity. Hey, okay, food review. Alright, these meatballs, absolutely fantastic. I don't know where Mr. Foot got him. He told me already, but I forgot. Great mozzarella.
Walmart.
Fresh from great food. Great bread. It's overall a fantastic meal. Cole, put that there. These older scouts
clean that up now.
Maybe we had something to grab if you cold out of there.
No, I think you're gonna need to do.
Why don't we just get a paper towel?
That's what
Still videotaping me. Hi.